What is up everyone, it's David from RDJKICKZ and here I have an unboxing for you. This one's from Nike, so let's get straight into it. These shoes dropped about a day or two ago, maybe 2-3 days ago. And these sold out hella quick. They sold out in like, what, under a minute? I don't even know how I got them in the basket, but I guess I got lucky. Look. I did miss out on the French blues, so I saved the money from that to get these. Probably know what it is already, so. Red Nike box. Get rid of the receipts. More Uptempo. These shoes are clean. Yes, the Nike Air More Uptempo Scottie Pippen shoes. This is the original colorway. The full length Air unit from midsole. Black shoe, white accents, Nike Air all over, Nike swooshes. Classic shoe really. Big white swoosh on the bottom. I'll get a B-roll of the shoe more up close. So yeah, this is a really dope shoe, a classic. I wanted to get these since they rumoured to come out this year. So yeah, this has just been a quick review. So I'll try getting on feet on them. So probably 10-15 likes till I get on feet on these for you. See what I'm rocking with personally. And yeah, so until the next video, bye.
Who the skinny nigga with the low fade? I remember writing back in old days. Now it's gonna be writing that gets homes paid. Sunny niggas no shade. Fresh beside looking jazzy but without the cold trade.